In this video, we're going to answer conceptual questions involving capital P values and rejection regions. The P value is the area that is in the tail or in between the values. It's what you would read off of your Z table usually. So let's go ahead and talk about that, explain the difference between the Z-test for mu using rejection regions and the Z-test for mu using p-value. So they're going to basically tell you the same thing, but one of them requires you to draw and the other one doesn't. In the Z-test using rejection regions, the test statistic is compared with the critical values, usually with a drawing that you make and seeing if it's inside or outside the rejection region. If it's in the rejection region, you reject the null hypothesis. If it's not in the rejection region, you fail to reject the null hypothesis. The Z-test using a p-value compares the p-value with the level of significance alpha. And if the p-value is less than alpha, then you're in your rejection region and you reject H0. If your p-value is greater than alpha, then you are not in your rejection region and you fail to reject H0. So I gave a little bit more information than it's in B, but B is the correct answer there. And we're going to see that going forward, that it's just two different ways to get the same information. That if I draw this picture here and say this is where my line is that determines my rejection region, and my critical Z value came up to be in here, I'm in my rejection region, so I would reject H0. If I got a p-value back from my calculator and it was smaller than this alpha, which is the area that was shaded in blue, and the area shaded in red is less than alpha, then I'm in my rejection region and I also decide to reject H0 because of that. Again, we'll do more of this going forward, and I think you'll see how they're two sides of the same coin. All right, let's come back next time and keep talking more about 7.2. See you for the next video.